Good morning, Philippines. It's our first full day in Manila, and we're going to immerse in history and food culture for today, trying out some
Jollibee.
correct and some OG Filipino food tonight if we can. But first, breakfast.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you.
May tofu na ba yun? Or meron? Okay, that's it then. Thank you. Oh, and drinks. What drinks do you have? Sorry? May kasama na bang tofu yun? Wala pa. Just the one then, yeah. Huwag isang tokwa. Thank you. What drinks do you want, Wade? Wait, babe. Oh God, that is low head. So we are at Lugawan sa Tejeros. We are in the thick of Manila. It is very busy. It's an outdoor area. I know. We are having some lugaw. So last night we went to Goto Tendon. Lugaw is basically a much simpler cousin of a goto. It's also a congee, it's a Filipino style congee. I've been meaning to try this place and they have actually leveled up. This place has leveled up. I don't know, Wade, if you would have, how you would have dealt with it before when it was just a plain. Yeah, we've been hearing mixed reviews now since they have leveled up, but here we are about to try it. In the midst of the noise, I'm loving it. Hopefully we like it. Wade's not impressed. Wade's not a, I don't wanna, oh no, here's the egg. So we got the egg, and they don't have any drinks left, no drinks. So, babe, you gotta crack the egg. We got some egg. Oh, how much was this? 41 with the egg? So we got crack the egg, gotta roll it.
On the table.
Yeah, but we gotta put the shell inside. I'm hoping just inside the plastic.
Number 32.
Oh, okay. So we didn't have to wait down. Oh, it doesn't. The shell doesn't peel as easily like the ones in Australia. So Goto Tendon was definitely more upscale. You're not gonna have any of this, are you? That's just some tofu. Oh God, let's see. Fried garlic bits up the top. See the tofu by hand? Usually I would like that with some vinegar. I can see some vinegar sauce. This should be very simple and basic. Let's see if it hits the spot, hopefully. Oh, it's way too hot for the weather, but that's way too hot. Ow, it's burning my mouth. It's very simple, so as I was expecting, but I don't know. I think I've had better, I'd say. But let's see what Wade says. I mean, it's tasty, and they have goto here as well, by the way. It's way too hot. Far out. Wade, why are you still peeling?
I feel like someone downstairs could have done this for me in 2 seconds.
Are you too posh now that you want someone else to peel your egg?
No. I'm just shit at it.
It's way too hot. Careful with the temperature, lady. Now, will you get some vinegar, please, if you don't mind?
Suka?
Yes. Filipinos, we love our vinegar sauce. Suka is vinegar. Why is it then brown, Mario? It's because we would have mixed it with, I'm guessing, some soy sauce and some garlic and whatnot. And that's what I'm going to use for, I'm sure this cup is not for that, or maybe it is. For the tofu. The tofu is just like fried tofu as well. Is that pork? It is. Pork it up and dip it in soy sauce. Hopefully you guys can still hear me because Wade's got the mic.
It's okay.
What are your thoughts?
It's okay.
I've made lugaw before.
Yeah. Nothing's ever as good as when you cook it.
Alright, we'll finish this and we'll see you in our next stop.
We filled our bellies and now we're going to fill our brains, apparently. There are several museums in this area and we're starting with the Museum of Natural History.
Supposed to start with the National Museum, but my friend who lives nearby recommended we start with this first.
These museums, all part of the National Museum of the Philippines, are all around Rizal Park. We recommend that you ride the Tree of Life all the way up the top, then work your way down as the lift only goes up. We only realized this as we arrived up the top. We do these mistakes so you don't have to. It was Wade's first time to see the Philippines monkey-eating eagle, which is now only known as Philippine eagle. They are huge. There are plenty to see here, which focuses on the Philippines' flora and fauna. If you've been to museums in London or Australia, you might find the displays here are not at par. But do not let that deter you, because there is a lot to learn, both for foreigners and locals alike. It's free entry, so there's nothing to lose but gain. Look at this one. This is Lolong, our favorite display. It was the largest crocodile in captivity. And these are the wonders of the world, or natural wonders of the Philippines. Unfortunately, Wade and I have only been to 2, so we have some work to do. Remember to bring your ID and vaccine certificate, as it's required for entry.
We are now in the National Museum of Anthropology, which wasn't originally on our list, but we walked past it on the way to the Fine Arts one, so we are here. We just finished the National Museum of National History, which is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., but I believe they close during lunchtime. I think it's a weird thing that they have here, government hours. Masks are no longer required or optional indoors, but someone did ask us in the other museum, which is okay.
When it's crowded, the security will come over and ask you to put masks on.
Yeah, which I thought was, that's all right, no worries. So let's have a look at this one now. It's a secret, but that's why I didn't have this in our itinerary, because I didn't know what anthropology meant. Can you explain it to me?
No, it's okay. They can find out.
It's warm in the Philippines, and I was gonna say I love it, but I'm gonna lie about that. Anyway, we are at our last museum here, the National Museum.
one?
Yes,
Oh,
I
that's
think it is
sad.
the last one. And what have you learned so far, and what was your favorite so far?
That my wife doesn't know what anthropology means.
Apparently, it's the history of human evolution, which now I know. I'll tell you my favorite. So I really wanted to see Lolong, which you guys would have seen is the largest crocodile captivated ever, and it's massive. I thought the Megalodon jewel was pretty cool as well.
You see them everywhere though.
Yeah, I know, but I really like the Lolong because that's what I really wanted to see. It's unique to the Philippines. And I also know, what's the, Ammonite? What is it?
Ammonite.
Ammonite. That I thought was pretty, I learned something today. What have you learned?
It's good to see all the natural Filipino history.
There's got to be something that stood out.
And all the references are in their history books, because the Filipinos don't accept the way most history books have been written about them.
Yeah, it makes sense. All right, we'll see you. Loud streets of Manila. Here we are walking to Jollibee now. We finished all the museums. Our feet weren't cooperating towards the end. I wanted to see the Spolarium. We saw that. Ooh, I'm getting blisters.
Oh, me too.
So we're just going to hunt for Jollibee. And then we're gonna take you to Rizal Park as well. You'd want to check this out. I've lived in the Philippines almost a third of my life. I don't know. No, two-thirds of my life. And I don't think I've actually ever been to the Rizal Park. And it's such a monumental place. We have made it to Jollibee. I got the Super Meal A, which has all the favorites. They have the spicy chicken joy, which is what they're really popular for. The burger steak, which is my personal favorite. And there's spaghetti as well. And we got one each of the peach mango pie, and Wade got a chicken sandwich. And we got some iced tea.
It's the new menu item.
I'm gonna start with the spaghetti. It's so tiny. I love this. This is only 190. Oh, no, 199. 202. I think there's an extra $3 for the spicy version of the chicken.
3 pesos. You pay $202.
That's so. Oh, I think I actually like the Burger Point one better. The pasta is definitely overcooked. That's the way I think it's done, but it satisfies the craving. Yummy. I recommend getting this meal because you get tiny bits and pieces of everything. Don't be scared that, oh my god, it looks like a lot. They're tiny app. Look at this. It comes in this little tiny boxes. They're fine. I'm sure you'll be full by the end of it. Now I'm gonna have the rice. If you ever order rice in McDonald's, Jollibee, KFC here, In the Philippines, they're always wrapped in, oh shit, in paper like so. And it's very watery and they would slip. Oh my gosh. My watch is filled with rice. Here we go, my favorite burger steak. Oh, yum. Yes. That is definitely the one. I've never been really a chicken joy or a Jolly Spaghetti fan. It's always the burger steak for me. Wait, did you know? Did you know that only in the Philippines, McDonald's couldn't be the #1 fast food chain in the country because they cannot beat Jollibee.
Told me many times, so yes.
They both compete very strongly with each other.
I don't know how or how you do it. You blow my mind with
Tastes like chicken.
It's time for the chicken joy. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, that is spicy. But the spice is more like powder coating. See, Wade doesn't like bones. That's why he couldn't order the chicken. This one's a bit dry, I reckon. Burger steak really is my favorite. Wade's still going with his chicken sandwich, but I cannot wait. We're going to try another cult favorite here. They also have buko pie and they have savory ones as well now. Savory ones now as well, like chicken a la king they call it. There's a large version now as well. Oh, it's tiny! Ow! Look! This is why I love the Philippines, because I can just eat like a sample size of everything and not feel. Well, actually, at this point, I probably would have been okay without the dessert, but we are on holidays. We walked heaps, probably 20,000 steps already.
2,000.
Cheers, baby. If you want to try everything, super meal. If you trust me, what I really enjoyed, burger steak and a peach mango pie. We are now at Rizal Park, or more popularly known as Luneta Park, from the French word lunette, which means a crescent-shaped park. It used to be the social hub of Manila's elite and where our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, was executed back in December 30, 1896.
Do you think we'll see any executions today?
No, but we will see where he was executed.
Ah, okay. That'll be interesting.
We stumbled upon a Chinese garden, which we will now check out, and it feels pretty cool in here. It looks like it's about to rain as well. I don't know if I'm just wearing black glasses. We're getting to the guarded spot now, which is really the well-known spot here at Rizal Park. There are some people taking photos in front. We'll just go in there, perhaps pay our respects. But yeah, it's heavily guarded. I feel for them in this heat 24/7.
There are plenty of other museums to see in the area.
Like planetarium, or you can explore Intramuros as well, which we have done before doing a cycling tour.
Far better doing it with a guide.
100% highly recommend that you do hire a guide so that you know what you are looking at. That is it for us. We are for now heading back to the hotel
Put our feet up, have a little swim.
and escape the rain. It's about to rain. We're at the pool now. Here, that's Wade swimming. They are, I don't know what the hours are. Actually, I need to check what the hours of the pool are. I don't think it is 24 hours. Once you get out, it's on level 2, right near where the gym is. It's an outdoor pool, and there are 2 little sections here that you can swim in, and only swimwear are allowed. It's manned, and they also have a towel service, which is great. Hello, we are now having dinner here at Abe in Serendra, very close to Seda in BGC. This place has been here for as long as I can remember. And my friend Franz brought me here for the first time many years ago. If you're watching, hello. And we had the fried fish and some crab fat you mix with rice. I was about to order the fish. They still have it, but she suggested that I actually get the tuna belly because, and obviously the fried fish as well is one whole fish, and Wade doesn't eat seafood, so it's just going to be me. And I was super devastated. They are sold out of the crab fat. I am super devastated because they run out. They sold out of the crab fat. And they also have the aligay, which is crab fat in Filipino, rice, which they don't have at the moment. But we'll show you what we have once it gets here. It's going to be good. Yay, food's here. Okay, I'm gonna eat some rice. And I saw the table next door had baby squid, so I had to order some of them. We ordered adobo, which is crispy, and my fish, and the Bicol Express, but with vegetables. Yay! Oh my god, look at that adobo sauce, separate. And yums, yums, yums. We don't use knife here. That's good. Yum. Oh, I finished.
Crispy pork belly adobo. That is good.
Yeah, it's goddamn good, isn't it?
That's very nice.
Fucking good. Yeah, alright. My darling husband doesn't eat seafood, so all that fish is just mine. So I couldn't have more of that adobo even if I like that so much. But hopefully this is just as good. This thing is off the menu, by the way, because I wanted something boneless and ideally tinier as well. That is good too. Time to try the baby squid, which was ordered late. It's just basically sauteed in some dried chili, garlic, and olive oil. Check out, that's the head. Yum, let's try it. What do you think about the bitter melon? Wait, well, should I eat it with the head? I'll eat it with the head. Oh, maybe I'll eat it with, oh, no, sorry. That was good too. We are back in our hotel, done, well, not quite done for the day as we were meeting some friends for some drinks. Wade, what was your favorite from the day?
Oh, it was great getting a haircut finally.
It's like, yeah, they didn't see that part.
I like the first one. Natural Museum.
I really like National Museum of Natural History.
That's the one.
I like seeing the spolarium. Tomorrow is another day and a very good one for me because it's a shopping day. And of course, more of the best eats here in the Philippines, in Manila. So make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that one.
And keep watching to find out if I finally get Auntie Anne's.
That's right. That's right. So you can watch our day 0 in here and also how we prepped and packed for our trip here in the Philippines. And for daily updates and to see Wade's pamper session, do follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Love lots.
Are you covering my face again?
No.